In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your AirPods Pro 3 louder. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this works also exactly the same on any other AirPods as well, but let's say you want to make them louder. So the first thing I want you to do is swipe down on the top right, and when you have your AirPods connected, just make sure that the volume is actually high. And if it's not, that's what you basically want to do. But you can also go to the different categories, for example, like music and stuff like that, and you can go and change the music volume slider as well, which is going to be different to the normal volume slider. So the next thing you can do from here is go over to settings, and then what you can do is scroll down and then until you find sounds and haptics, go ahead and click on that. Then what you can do is change your ringtone and alerts volume if that's the issue you're having with your AirPods. But you could also scroll down even more. You're going to see headphone safety. So go ahead and click on that. Make sure that reduce loud audio is not enabled. If that's enabled, then you're going to have, it's just going to make them really quiet and stuff. So that's obviously not what you want. So another thing you could also do is I'm just going to swipe out of this section right here. And then I'm just going to go to my AirPods and it's going to look like this. But what I want to do is scroll down. There's going to be a lot of different things that you could basically, do over here. But what I want to go ahead and do is scroll down even more. I'm going to see accessibility as one of the options. And then you want to scroll down even more. And then what you could do is change the tone volume if you want to. And then you can even do volume swipe if you want to as well. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.